Hello children, welcome to my channel Kids Cartoon Education. Today we are going to learn about plant vocabulary. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Seed, S-E-E-D, seed. Seed means beej. Leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Leaves means pattiyan. Grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. Grass means घास. Trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Trunk means तना. Thorn, T-H-O-R-N, thorn. Thorn means काटा. Sprout, S-P-R-O-U-T, sprout. Sprout means अंकुर. Flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Flowers means फूल. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Tree means पेड़. Branch, B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. Branch means शाखा या फिर डाली. Buds, B-U-D-S, buds. Buds means कलियां. Blossom, B-L-O-S-S-O-M, blossom. Blossom means खिलना. Reeds, R-E-E-D-S, reeds. Reeds means नरकट. Pollen, P-O-L-L-E-N, pollen. Pollen means प्राग. Bush, B-U-S-H, bush. Bush means झाड़ी. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.